Hey, so we went down to the local nursery, and that place was just insane. There was thousands of different plants, and before I tell you about the amazing trees we found, this is the I'm going to show you the highlights of our trip. We are at the local nursery. They got a lot of stuff. We just bought a bunch of trees, but wow, this is a lot of stuff. What are these?
Juniper.
Juniper? Is that for decorating?
Yeah, it's never green.
It's an evergreen.
But the plant itself, it looks like these are juniper. I don't see a sound or nothing.
Oh, that one's in the ground?
Yeah, but it still has the
Yeah.
tag on it, so. Those are healthy. This is what I'm gonna put by the front door.
Okay. I mean, look at these.
I love bananas. And you know, I already
This
have
is
an idea. It's in my cart. I wanted to get one of the tiny greenhouses and put it up over the banana tree.
Yeah. Those are the nice ones, right?
Yeah.
Didn't we buy those? Had those.
I buy them every year for you because you like the petunias, and I can't remember the name of that right now. It's right here in my head. I can't spit it out. But I buy you that stuff and that habit. I tried to buy some of this stuff in Walmart, and I mean, the birds don't know what those stuff are like.
Those two.
Gorgeous. I love the way that looks. Red. These are beautiful. Oh, what's the Texas flowers?
The bonnets. How are you? It's like a tiki bar.
Yeah, isn't that great? Okay. Tiger lily.
Tiger lily.
Tiger lily.
Sunflower.
Those are cool. Those are cool. This one here. This looks like paper lantern, doesn't it? What is this?
Oh wow! I didn't realize they had this many high tones. Right there. Those are the fig trees. 48. And this is I guess a medium-sized Celeste fig. Celeste fig, and it had a fruit, but no, I think it's not this one. But this is really healthy. And then we got another fig tree. It's maybe, well, it's a different kind, I believe. This one had a fig and it fell off, but it's already starting to produce fruit. And we have, this is an apple tree. And this is a apple cocktail. It has 5 different types of apple, which I didn't know that was even possible. I didn't know that was a thing. So that's really amazing. And then we have the pear. I think this is pear cocktail. And this is another one of those plants that will give you 5 different types of fruit. I didn't know that was a thing either, so pretty amazed about that. So anyways, tell me what you think. Thank you.